A day in my life on how I buy my stuff, how I buy my Africa stuff in Italy that last me so long at home. Okay, so you can do yours as well, like this as well. Buying things like one things, one stuff. Like there are some people that buy things like when they want to cook, they go and buy. When they want to do this, so that one really wastes a lot of money. Not that I don't buy stuff, I buy sometimes when I don't have, but most of the time this is what I do once in a month or once in 2 months, just to buy them at home so that I will not lack of anything, and it saved me a lot of money. Okay, so I went to the Africa shop. I didn't go to my city, it's not my city. I went to a place where it's very cheap. There's this big Chinese shop where it's very cheap. It's not that it's cheap. Things are so expensive now, but what to do now? At least you still go to somewhere that, for example, in my city, what I would buy for 150 euro, when I get to that place I will buy it for 130. 20 euro different, just for example. I'm just making a reference. So yeah, so I'm here now. You can see I got beans. Normally I do buy big beans, but they don't have big ones, so I just have to carry that one. This is starch. This starch is going to last me for so long, for so very long. That is why normally I buy this big starch. I buy oil. That oil that I took just now, normally I do buy the big one, but when I get there, the money that they put in that big oil is very expensive, and I did prepare. I prepared the last money before, because it has been long I went to this place, so, and it was expensive, so I have to change and carry that smallest one. That one will still carry me for like 1 month plus, because I don't use oil like that at home. You understand? So this is a fresh pepper. This fresh pepper is very cheap. You can see this fresh pepper now. I bought it 6, because this theory that I took is 5 euro. Then I took this okra again. I took it 3. So this okra is what I do when I get home. I wash them, slice it, and put them on the freeze or on my freezer, so that whenever I want to use it, I will just use it. Then this is the part where they sell meat. I got some meat. I didn't know that I did not video everything, every part of the meat that I got. I videoed just 2 parts, like I videoed the shaki and the tongue. So I got some fresh, I get some tongues, and I got some chicken as well. What I do is when I get home, I will just wash them, cut them little by little, and put them on my freezer. I got this gari. This is Africa gari. This is how our gari look like. Guys, my husband that was supposed to video me, I told my husband, I begged my husband, I said, this place we are going, you have to video me, like full video. I will be picking these things, you'll be videoing me. He said no problem. Immediately we want to enter there, a call come in, and my husband was receiving call outside, so I have to go and video my things myself, because I have to do this vlog. So I took one bundle for my eyelash. I took all those okporoko, and this is where there is meat, cow meat, abodi. This one is cow leg. They have a body, and I took a lot of meat, and this one as well. So this one is her body. Yeah, this one is her body. I took this one. I love her body. I love ring so much. This one is not yeah, this one is her body, something like that. Yeah, that is all for today, guys. That is how I buy my things at home that last me so long, for like 1 or 2 months. I will not buy things except when I don't have these things at home. I will just go and buy. Okay, if you watch to this time, don't forget to follow this video or subscribe to this channel for more video like this. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much, and I will be seeing you all on my next video. Bye. Tell me where you are watching me from. Bye.